Это наш лучший женский парфюм.
Спасибо, но нам нужен мужской.
Hi guys, it's the last days of Saba's trip. We want to buy a great gift for Hamid. Sara, I want a very stylish perfume. What is the word for gift in Russian? Let's learn together.
Мы ищем подарок для моего мужа.
У нас есть два отличных варианта. Этот аромат свежий, а этот древесный.
Which scent does Hamid like? Fresh or woody?
Definitely woody. Hamid loves woody scents.
Я беру древесный аромат.
Отличный выбор.
Сколько это стоит?
7000 рублей.
Хорошо, я беру.
Вы будете платить картой или наличными?
Картой, пожалуйста.
Okay, let's review the essential Russian words and phrases from this perfume shopping trip. The core word, of course, is dukhi. That means perfume. This is your go-to word for fragrance. Remember, scents can be свежий for a clean, fresh smell. Or you might choose древесный for a warm, woody scent. And when you're ready to buy, the most important phrase is «Сколько это стоит?» This means, how much does it cost? Finally, at the counter, you need to answer a quick question. They will ask you, «Картой или наличными?» That means, by card or by cash.
Hamid's gift turned out great, but Sarah, I haven't bought souvenirs for the rest of them yet. Don't worry, tomorrow we're going to buy.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the souvenir shopping video. Пока-пока!